How we found our microgreen niche. When we started our microgreen business, I thought success would come easy from growing just the best microgreens we could offer to anyone who would listen. All right, spoiler alert, that's not how it works. We actually changed everything for us was finding our niche. And the reason why our business is thriving today. If you ever felt stuck or wonder if there's making real progress, this video is for you. I'll share how we found our niche, why it changed everything, and the 3 biggest lessons we learned along the way. And if you're ready to find out your own niche and building a sustainable business, don't miss our upcoming workshop where we will dive deep into more, and I will tell you even more at the end of this video, so make sure you stay tuned. I remember our first big farmer's market. Had trays of microgreens, broccoli, radishes, sunflowers, pea shoots, all the packages neatly ready to go and excited. By the end of the day, I made a handful of sales, but still had quite a few leftovers. Went home feeling defeated. What went wrong? What could have been? I thought maybe the problem was our product. Maybe we needed a better package. Maybe we needed more varieties. But the real issue wasn't what I was growing, it was who I was trying to sell to. So what was the turning point? I realized casting a wide net was not going to work. Farmers market shoppers were curious, but not committed. Restaurants wanted consistency, and I wasn't ready to go that level yet. And grocery stores, well, that whole different thing needed a different volume that we couldn't deliver on yet. So we were stuck in a cycle of trying to be everything to everyone and ending up nowhere. One day we had a conversation with a local chef who was shopping at our farmer's market. He told me he loved the microgreens, but didn't want most of the varieties we were growing. What he wanted was bold, bright, spicy garnishes for his dishes. Something vibrant that could elevate his plate and present. That conversation was a light bulb moment for us. So we decided to shift our focus to chefs, particularly those high-end restaurants who valued and presented the flavors. Started growing new microgreens, including color varieties like amaranth, spicy ones like radishes, arugula, even been growing, and then we began to grow to order, which ensured we were meeting the expectation of that chef. It made it a priority to visit restaurants on a consistent basis, deliver samples, and listen to their feedback. Sometimes it can be hard, but you got to listen to their feedback and adjust your approach or what you were growing. Before we knew it, we had a handful of loyal customers. Woo-hoo! Within a few months, there was no longer chasing random sales. We had consistent orders, predictable income, and most importantly, time to focus on growing our business instead of scrambling around to survive. That's the worst. This experience taught us 3 valuable lessons. 1, know your customers. Not everyone's going to be the right fit for you, for your products. Find the ones who truly need what you're offering. 2, tailor your product. When you solve a specific problem to a specific group of people, you become indispensable. They're going to need you. 3, focus over fear. Don't be scared. Narrow your focus. It's the only way you're going to grow sustainably in the beginning. If you feel stuck like I was, don't worry. You can turn things around too. Our next workshop is coming up and is designed to help you find your niche and start your business the right way, or get your business growing the right way if you've already started, and get your dream of being a microgreen business thriving. We'll walk you through exactly the steps to create a thriving, sustainable business. When is this happening? It's happening Wednesday, January 15th at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. So make sure you check out the link in the description to sign up. We'd love to see you over there. Your niche is out there. It's just waiting for you. Let's find it together. Take the first steps today. Join that workshop. Let's grow your microgreen business. Let's see you out there.